if you have seen everything about Andrea from Love Island, everything she did after she got out of the villa, all the videos and stuff, and then the one where it's like, is Rob a good kisser? And she spins and does, yes. Whatever. And anyway, so in the reunion, it's so wild. It's just like she's jumping on the Leah hate train. I don't know what she's doing. It's like, whatever. But she had nothing to say when Leah was like, what I did to Andrea. Like, she didn't even speak. And it's clear that she had no PR team. So if you are Andrea, or you are in a situation like Andrea, then contact Rsquare Media at 646-249-3561, and we will help you out and do a free discovery call to see kind of what's going on and give you some tips in that first call. And yeah, so contact us today so we can help you out.